Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Marietta and I'm delighted to have you here. This space is all about sharing stories, tips and bits of wisdom for all of us navigating this wonderful stage of life. Whether you've been with me for a while or just found your way here, I truly appreciate your company. Don't forget to give that little button a gentle nudge and subscribe if you enjoy our chats. Now, let's jump into today's topic. It's going to be a good one. I love making posies. You may ask why, and the answer is because they are sweet, uncomplicated ideas for every day, and I like to have one in every room. When it comes to entertaining for small gatherings like a casual meal made special with simple, quick, and unpretentious flowers. Posies are a great addition for special gatherings and set the scene for relaxed dinners, fun theme parties, or an exquisite evening to remember. So to get started, I'd like you to select your vessel and then select the flowers and the foliage that you'd like to make your arrangement from. Cut your flowers in proportion and lengths to the choice of your vessel, removing all green from the foliage and from the stems of the flowers. Lay out your ingredients in groups. Add clean water to your vessel. Now start creating your desired shape. I start with some of the foliage to create the foundation. Next, I move to a couple of focal flowers, which are your larger ones, weaving the stems through the foliage to anchor them. Next, choose some filler flowers. Start adding those to build the overall shape. A good reminder is to continue to rotate your vessel when placing your flowers, and to also look down on it, known as a bird's eye view. This will help to build out your proportion, create balance, harmony to your posy. Continue to choose your filler flowers from your groups. Do a step and repeat until you reach your desired effect. one full rotation of the posy towards the end, checking that there are no obvious holes. Then look down that old bird's eye view again, making sure that the crown is nice and full and lots of texture and lots of color. Once you have completed your posy, place it and enjoy. Another nice thing you can do is give it as a thank you to your guests. I hope you've had a wonderful dinner and I enjoyed creating this posy with you. A list of flowers that I used will be included for your use at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.